Yeah, maybe I can have this car. Ah, it's a delivery for the restaurant. It's a cute one. I wouldn't mind having this car like this. It's too small, it's too cute. I like it. Does it drive without a permit?
Another lockdown days, you guys. I'm already bored as hell. And so what I'm gonna do today, decorate our fresh Christmas tree differently. Green, red, yellow. Absolutely take a risk. I'm the Christmas tree. My last final touch to put it in my Christmas tree. One of my favorites. Ta-da! It may not be as good as it looks in the video, but it looks very, very good in front of me. I'm happy. Maybe it's not your style of decorating, but it's mine this year, and I'm happy.